Hey, we're here in Heber City, Utah in February having our Pro 5 Summit.
We're having a blast out here in Pro 5 Summit. It's an awesome feeling to grow. It's awesome to talk to these people.
It's a chance to sit down with our new Pro 5s. They are the emerging leaders of today who are destined to become the icons of tomorrow.
We've been able to speak to the top management, get to know them. We've been able to ask questions and get really personal and look at stuff of how we can actually improve our business and grow our businesses.
For me, it's one of the best things that this company does to reinvest in the leadership that has made the choice to make change in their life, and we get to come and help them go to the next level in their business.
I have learned from the great minds of corporate and some of the elite Pro 9s and 10s in our company of what the tools are to use to become the leader.
We've had great speakers. We had Pro 10s, Pro 9s.
You need to come here and surround yourself by other Pro 5s who are trying to do the same thing that you're trying to do and be mentored by people who have what you want.
And watch the light bulbs get turned on during those trainings. I mean, it really is something really special to watch, and I get to be a fly on the wall and feel the energy of that kind of leadership being spawned in the room. I think it's fantastic. It's really something that everybody should be vying to attend sometime in the very near future. We're looking for you.
Something that we've done different over the last couple of Pro 5 events is we've extended it by a day to add fun. Because it's one thing to come and learn, but we also want to network together as a team of professionals and create those bonds that hold us together globally.
We have people that are going to go snowmobiling, we have people that are going tubing, and also people that are skiing.
It's been amazing. We've done so many cool activities. We're going snow tubing today, we're at skidooring, where skis towed by a horse, and we've been dog sledding, and it's just been so much fun.
It's a magic place, it's a magic moment.
This is my very first experience of snow.
The thing that probably is the best is the ability to get to know other people from other organizations, other countries.
Australia.
Puerto Rico.
Kansas City, Missouri.
Atlanta, Georgia.
I'm from Amsterdam, the Netherlands in Europe.
Mexico, California, and Arizona.
All over the United States and Canada. So it's an absolute can't miss opportunity. We hope to see you at the next Pro 5 Summit.
Pro 5 Summit is awesome. I feel one of the best events our company's put on.
You don't want to miss this.
You have got to get here.
So we'll see you at the next one.
Muchas gracias.